The new Medford Senior High School. Produced by Robin Zazula, Leo Sacco, James Riccio, David Levine, and Robert Finocchiaro. This painting represents an artist's conception of the new Medford High School prior to its construction. The school, located off Winthrop Street, is one of the most modern educational plants of the secondary school level in the United States. This is a lengthwise view of buildings A and C. The building in the foreground is Building A, and that in the rear is Building C. Along this road, buses unload the students and will hopefully return later that afternoon to pick them up. In this picture, you see a cross view of the main entrance to the complex. In front is a circular driveway used by the administrators, and to the right lies a part of the vocational school, and Building A is in the center. This is the main entrance to the modern complex. Pictured here is the main lobby located in Building A. In the center is a suspended staircase leading to the main office. The visitors, as well as lost students, use the building directory located outside the Resource Center. The various colors represent the different buildings.
The Drama Lecture Hall, or Little Theater, is one of the finest in the country. It is divided into an upper and lower section and has a seating capacity of 400. The stage and trappings are professional in size and operation. The expansive lights and lighting equipment has a control booth in the rear of the stage. There are two entrances in the upper section of the Little Theater, two entrances to the lower section, and two doors on each side of the stage. The music complex is made up of an instrumental rehearsal room, a choral rehearsal room, an adjoining library containing a conference table and 25 cabinets, a director's office, 3 teachers' offices, 2 classrooms which seat 25 and 46 students, 10 small practice rooms, a uniform storage room, a repair room, and 400 lockers for musical instruments. This is the instrumental room, the largest of the 2 rehearsal rooms. The large area in front has a work table and piano. On the built-in risers, there are enough chairs and music stands to accommodate 120 people. In both rehearsal rooms, the ceiling and 3 walls are acoustically treated. Wooden baffles suspended from the ceiling absorb and reflect the sound. The Home Economics Department is comprised of 2 sewing rooms, 2 cooking rooms, and a family living area. The clothing rooms both have 16 sewing machines, which are built into a large work table. The closets have 240 individual tote trays where all materials are stored. Bookcases, blackboards, and bulletin boards are used when classwork is taught, while the 2 ironing boards, 3 full-length mirrors, and dressing room is in use when the articles are being made. Each cooking room is set up in 5 complete family-style kitchens that accommodate 4 girls to each family. These kitchens consist of a table, a sink, a stove, and cabinets. All teaching is done in a special demonstration area with a wall oven, countertop stove, and overhead mirror. Each room also has a freezer, a refrigerator, a self-cleaning stove, a dishwasher, and disposal. The art department consists of a suite of 3 art studios. The 2 fine art studios are separated by a folding partition. The tables seat 25 to 30 students. On the ceiling are rows of horizontal lights to spotlight the students' work, still lifes, or any objects. There are large storage areas and bulletin and blackboards for display areas. There is also a large bulletin board and glass display in the corridor. The ceramic studio centers around ceramics, arts and crafts, and all three-dimensional projects. The tables seat 20 students. In the back of the room are two different-sized ceramic kilns to accommodate various projects. The 4 pottery wheels, or pottery kilns, are used to shape the pottery. The Mustang News Office is a special room used for the publication of the newspaper. Each department has its own file cabinet, typewriter, and desk. Students raise $300 to fix up and refinish broken furniture from the old high school to furnish this room. On the wall are all the awards the newspaper has earned, original photographs and cartoons by famous artists, and a bulletin board where assignments and notices are put up. In this room, students are taught the fundamentals of journalism. On the wall is a step-by-step diagram which shows how a newspaper is put together.
A long corridor joining buildings A and B and adjacent to the library allows student traffic to flow easily. The main impression one gets on entering the new Medford High School Resource Center is one of spaciousness and wealth of furnishings. The deep red of the wall-to-wall carpet is emphasized by the off-white color of the walls and columns, and the roomy, well-built cherry wood furniture gives an impression of solidity and comfort, enhanced by plentiful but subdued lighting. To the left of the students' entrance to the Resource Center is the magazine area, with slanting shelves for current periodicals and newspapers, and flat shelves for the storage of back issues. Handsome red leather upholstered chairs with marble connecting tables make for enjoyable and comfortable use of this material. The 72 swastika-type study desks placed at each end of the reading room meet the need for individual study and research. The main section of the library, with tables in various shapes and sizes, and the roomy alcoves with their large tables, complete the seating accommodations for 350 students. Off the main section of the library are 4 small listening rooms, where audiovisual material may be used in privacy and comfort. They are also available for private studying and conferences by teachers and students.
Welcome to the Control Center of the new Medford High School. This is the center office for general clerical work. Also located here is the headmaster's office. Pictured here is data processing, where all school records are filed and report cards are processed through the use of computers. Two of the most expensively equipped rooms in the business department are typing and office machines. In this typing room are IBM executives. There are 3 similar rooms with these same machines. Office machines deal in 3 areas. The transcribing department has many different kinds of machines, including electric typewriters. The clerical audit department has adding and listing machines, and the duplicating department has mimeoscopes, mimeograph machines, and a duplicating machine.
There are 16 classrooms in the science department. Each classroom is a self-contained lecture and laboratory room. Of the 16 classrooms, 3 of them are for chemistry, 1 for physics, 1 for earth science, 1 for physiology, 5 for biology, and 5 for general or applied science. 6 classrooms lack windows and are therefore air-conditioned. The growing room is used to cultivate any plants where temperature and other variables can be controlled. The animal room is used to store animals until ready for use in the classrooms. This eliminates unnecessary odors and mess. This science project area houses the equipment used by science students. and is also an area for individual scientific research. The Science Lecture Hall is 120 feet long by 30 feet wide and seats 120 comfortably. It was designed for individual student projects, large group discussions, lectures, and films. Also, meetings for the various science clubs, fairs, and seminars are conducted here.
The Guidance Department, which has offices on 3 floors, assists students with their academic decisions. Each counselor has his own office conference room for the privacy of the students. This is a typical classroom in the new Medford High School. Note the communications control board. The room has a suspended ceiling for better lighting and movable chairs for various class activities. The courtyard is located between buildings B and C. This courtyard will provide a restful area for students after their lunch period. Pictured above the courtyard are the connecting corridors which connect the 2 buildings. One of the 3 lecture halls, built piggyback style, this room seats 104 students. The ceiling and walls are acoustically treated and provide an excellent atmosphere for lecture and large group presentations. This combination dining and study room measures 110 feet by 45 feet and can be divided into 2 sections by a folding partition. Adjacent to the student dining area is the teacher's private dining area, and adjacent to this is the serving area, which has 4 entrances to serve the students their hot lunch. The disposal cleaning area contains ample equipment for cleaning eating utensils and disposal of waste. This is the main kitchen and storage area for the 3 dining rooms. It is equipped with freezers, coolers, steamers, ovens, baking units, and other such equipment. The entrance to the physical education building is an intersection connecting the cage with the main academic building. Distributive education is a work-study program which teaches the art of selling and marketing. The displays here simulate those found in retail businesses. The girls' locker and shower room consists of individual shower and changing units, 1 instructor's room, and 1 team room. This spacious locker room, which measures 100 feet by 75 feet, accommodates the male population of Medford High. It contains 4 team rooms and 4 shower and drying rooms. The wrestling room, which measures 40 feet by 50 feet, has an Olympic-sized mat, and like the gymnastics room, has a wood parquet floor imported from Thailand. The gymnastics room measures 40 feet by 50 feet. It has all modern gymnastic equipment and is separated from the wrestling room by a folding partition. The cage, which measures 280 feet by 103 feet, has a uniturf base laid over 18 inches of concrete. It divides into 4 sections by means of folding partitions and has vast storage areas to accommodate all the physical education equipment. Located in the pool balcony, the weight training room is outfitted with the equipment needed for weightlifting. The pool measures 60 feet 1 inch by 75 feet 1 inch and is situated in a room that measures 105 feet by 84 feet. The temperature of the water is maintained at 79 degrees Fahrenheit, and the surrounding air is kept at 86 degrees Fahrenheit. This larger than Olympic-sized pool has 8 lanes and is government subsidized.
The Radio and Electronics program offers a laboratory experience in the basic study of electrical television, radio, and computer repair are part of the course. Electrical circuiting offers complete training for apprenticeship in the electrical field. The shop simulates conditions that will be met during their career outside of high school. Every vocational shop is accompanied by a related classroom where students are taught the principles and theories of their course. In the printing shop, students can perform any type of printing or duplicating done in industry. This is the vocational office. It performs the same function as the main office in the high school. Basic building instructions and transforming raw materials into finished wood products is taught in the cabinet making rooms. In the machine shop, students turn raw materials into finished products. All types of painting and furnishing work are taught to the students in the painting and decorating shop. The sheet metal shop is equipped for any type of metal prefabrication that is done in industry. The automotive shop contains the latest equipment to completely service any type of automobile. For students interested in hairstyling, the cosmetology room provides 20 styling stations and 26 hair drying units. Drafting, which is essential for every vocational course, is taught in this well-lighted and equipped room.
We hope you have enjoyed this brief tour of the high school complex and that you will be able to visit us soon.